Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In case you were eBay enjoyer and basically one of your friends, one of your cousins, one that you know comes to a birthday of yours or to an event or basically just wanted to gift you a gift and the gift happens to be an eBay gift card code. In that case, you don't have the real card and you only have the code. You don't know how much this code worth. So how can you know how much it is worth, what is the balance in it, and how much can you spend with it? It's pretty simple. Go to this page, ebay.com/gift. It's not really gift, it's GFT slash balance. Once you go there, you will be able to add the code right here. And as you can see, after gift card is added, it cannot be removed. So once you add it right here, it should give you the balance that this card actually has. Well, in your case, it's not a card. It might be a code. It could be a card as well. So it really depends. A card normally it should be written on it, but for a code normally without a card, you will find it and you will type it right here, and you will find the balance that is on the code in this area. So you simply have to write it down, and once you have done that, click add to account. The card will have three, 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 three. So in total, it's 12 characters and numbers. So it's gonna be a mix of them. Make sure that your friend is not scamming you. Actually, it could be not 12 but 13. So three here, three here, three here, and four here. So make sure that they are 13. Maybe your friend didn't want to scam you. Maybe he missed the number. So make sure to confirm with him. Yeah, that was it. See you guys in the next video.